Hello, my name is Anderson. I'm from G&G. I will introduce our new product this year. So let's go from GSS. GSS is Russian sniper. It's Russian sniper from VSS. It's also called Vintorez. Our GSS has quick detachable outer barrel and also sound suppressor. But I want to show you the most important feature is without the magazine. Without magazine you cannot shoot, and before you start to shooting, you need to pull the charging handle, and then you can start to shoot. Yes. Now I start to disassemble this replica. First, from here you can remove the outer barrel. Also, it has QD battery. It's a nylon battery, 11.1 volt. And the magazine is high cap magazine, about 250 rounds. It has steel fastener here and here. And then a QD stock here. Press this button, you can remove the handguard. And then use tool to turn this part. You can remove the spring and the spring guard. It's very fast, very convenient. Now I will show you how to remove all the gearbox. It's very simple. First, you just pull this hotbar chamber, and then here the wire. Also two screws here. And then you can remove all the gearbox. The last is the hotbar chamber. Just press this button, you can remove it. That's all. Now I will show you our new gearbox system here. Our new gearbox system is called Mars. It has some special feature. First is the QD pistol grip. Just remove a pin here. And then you can and then you can remove. The grip. Also, it's like a GSS. It has QD spring and the spring guide, and the new gearbox system Mars with all the taper plate, and it enforces shell of gearbox. The less is without magazine and BB you cannot shoot. Yeah, also we have behind the gearbox we have MOSFET. Let's change to the MG42. This is our MG42 is a QD here. Just press and then you can remove, and to here. Here. And thank you. Also, the real front side and the rear side. And this is safe mode and shooting mode here. This replica has QD pistol grip. Just remove this pin, you can remove all the pistol grip, and then press here. Here can remove the stock. Yes. Yes. And the charging handle is functional.
And they are very mild way, but there's a information incorrect or something that we need to update. So just in case to
The less you can remove the barrel very fast. Just pull this and yes. So, thank you for listening.